Sean Henson for Video Diary Sprint8 Part 3. This last part we'll cover the terminable and then showcase the code in action. So the terminable is what the game object can take as. This is what the game object can inherit, the state of being a terminable. And the terminal manager processes the termination events and handles registration in the form of a def list, which is kind of what I call the list of terminables, because once they come through, they get re-registered on deregistered automatically. Well, they get destroyed, so there is no need to deregister the objects. The only hard part right now that I never got finished was the dumpster. I have it set up, but when I have an object that does not delete itself, the dumpster is not currently catching it, and I wish I could have had more time to get to that part. Without further ado, let's run the code and show you what is going on. So the code is currently running scene level 1, which then transitions to level 2 when a collision occurs between the two ships. So let's just quickly run that and showcase it. So you can see here I've added in the models, I've added in segments, and I have an alarm going. And alarm 0 has just gone off because 5 seconds has gone by in the game. And if we wait one more second, yep, alarm 1 has gone off because the timer length is now 10 seconds. So here's the ship, it's going off key presses, so it'll move, and you can see it's currently updating. So when I hit this ship, it'll collide, and Tesco was deleted with deleting of bounding spear. Now, for the deletion to have been called, termination must have happened first, where I deregister and register everything. I do not have the registers to be automatic. They have to be told by the user, but thankfully I've wrapped them in the form of, let's just go to the draw real quick and I'll showcase the wrapping. So at the bottom of the draw, I quickly made a wrapper called deregister draw and register draw, which basically takes this long call of scene manager, create current scene, yada yada, and shortens it to this short little call the user can use, showcased right here in the termination. So continue. Okay, so now we're in scene 2. There is no plane that was deleted, and the axis is gone as well, and the ship is at a lower position because this is ship 2. So when we collide here we go. So this is now test 2 object. It is now being destroyed as we switch back to scene 1, like so. And now we're back to scene 1 with a different ship, because if I open up the call stack, we can see here that we have created, it calls the alarms again, and that is the Icebox engine. The documentations are on the document HTML, and that will end the final recording for Sprint 8.